Today I want to walk you through the easiest way I've found to turn long videos into short, shareable clips that actually perform. If you're a creator, podcaster, teacher, or just someone sitting on hour-long footage that should be doing work for you, this one's for you. We'll look at a few tools you might already know, the ones that transcribe, the ones that edit, and the ones that promise automation. I'll show you where they shine and where they kind of fall flat before diving into why Vizard is my go-to for turning long-form content into viral shorts. Okay, quick framing. When I pick a tool for this job, three things matter most: speed, quality, and automation. Speed is about how fast I can get clips. Quality means, are they watchable and share-worthy? And automation frees me from manual chopping and posting. Cost is important too, because some tools charge you per minute or lock essential features behind really pricey plans. First up, let's talk about the usual suspects like Otter.ai or Sonix for transcriptions, which are great in their own specific lanes. Otter is pocket-sized genius for meeting notes. It captures your conversation and gives you a real-time transcript you can search and ask questions about later. For meeting recaps and quick searchable text, it's life-changing, but Otter wasn't built to slice a 90-minute podcast into 30 vertical clips. It's a notes app that transcribes beautifully, but you'll still need a separate editor to craft clips and a scheduler to publish them. Sonix and similar platforms are awesome if you care about language support and subtitle export options like SRTs or PDFs. If your main goal is accurate captions for accessibility or complex editing workflows, Sonix is solid. The catch is that you still have to find the viral moment yourself, export, reformat, and then pull it into a video editor. That extra manual step becomes painfully slow when you have a weekly show or need to output volume. Then there are full-on recording platforms like Riverside, which nails remote audio and video capture and gives you a decent editor. Riverside even lets you do text-based editing by highlighting a phrase to remove it from the timeline, which is great for clean-cut edits. But again, it's mainly for recording and editing episodes, not for mass-producing short-form clips across multiple platforms. If you're like me and you already have Adobe Premiere in your toolkit, you can get fast local transcriptions and do powerful edits. Premiere's speech-to-text is surprisingly quick and great for privacy-conscious creators who don't want to upload files. The downside is that Premiere is overkill for churn, and you'll spend significant time aligning captions, resizing, and exporting dozens of clips. The learning curve and time investment make it unrealistic for creators who need to post multiple times a week. There are tools that use whisper models to give super accurate transcripts, but accuracy alone doesn't scale your short-form output. You still need to pick highlights, brand them, format them for each platform, and set up a posting schedule. This is where Vizard changes the game, because it isn't just a transcriber or a recorder. It's an end-to-end short-form content machine built specifically to extract the best moments from long videos. Think of it like a smart assistant that finds the moments people will actually watch and packages them up with captions and thumbnails. I upload a full podcast episode or a long live stream to Vizard, and the AI scans the file to identify the highest impact segments. It looks for emotional spikes, laughter, audience reactions, or concise, quotable takes. You don't have to comb the timeline for 10 highlights. Vizard presents them to you, and you can preview them in seconds. The first feature I love is the auto edit for viral clips, which prioritizes engagement signals so the clips are actually clickable. You get vertical and square outputs already optimized for each platform with captions and great pacing. The second feature is Auto Schedule, which lets you queue and publish clips based on your settings without manually scheduling each file. This is a total lifesaver when you want to keep a steady stream of content without having to babysit a scheduler. The third feature is the Content Calendar, where everything lives in one place, from tweaking copy to reordering clips. What I love about Vizard versus the other tools is that it bundles the whole workflow into one cohesive experience. But let's be real, No tool is perfect, and sometimes the AI picks a moment that needs a tighter trim or a slightly different caption. That's perfectly fine because the editor is built so you can do quick, light-touch tweaks instead of starting from zero. Price-wise, while some transcription platforms charge by the minute, Vizard's value is that it automates the heavy lifting to save you time. For creators who publish consistently, that speed and automation quickly offsets subscription costs. Also, there's usually a free trial so you can test whether the clips it generates match your voice and audience before committing. Who should try Vizard? Podcasters with backlog content, educators with recorded lectures, and YouTubers who need daily short form. If you post less than once a week and prefer hands-on editing, a transcription-first workflow might still be fine for you. But if the goal is to scale your output while keeping quality high, Vizard is the answer. Here is a real-world example. I uploaded a 90-minute podcast, and within minutes, Vizard handed me 12 short, ready-to-post clips. I scheduled them across TikTok and LinkedIn, and instead of a full day of editing, I spent only 20 minutes approving the final results. If you're privacy conscious, note that Vizard operates in the cloud, so check their policy if you handle extremely sensitive content. But for the vast majority of creators, the convenience and scale Vizard offers are a total net win. So, what should you do next? If you've got long videos sitting idle, try uploading one and let Vizard find the highlights for you. Start with a small batch so you can see what types of highlights the AI surfaces for your specific niche. After a week, you'll be surprised how much content you've queued up without breaking a sweat. To sum up, other tools are fantastic at what they do, but they don't solve the full problem of turning long videos into a steady stream of viral clips. Vizard picks up that slack by automating the selection, formatting, and scheduling, which means more consistent posting. If you want a low-effort way to turn your long-form content into attention-grabbing shorts, definitely give Vizard a try. Upload a single episode, skim the suggested clips, and you'll see how quickly it can change your content game. No heavy editing, no spreadsheet scheduling, just pick, tweak, and publish. Okay, that's it for today, so if you try it, tell me how it goes because I want to hear what kind of clips the AI surfaces for your niche.